everyone is doing well. I'm doing not so well on my side, but I wish to share with you the plans that I have for the next coming season. The next coming season, I will plant 4 crops, which is spinach, butternuts, sweet potatoes, and then sugar beans or maize. Even on sweet potatoes, I still wanna decide. I'm not decided, or I haven't decided yet between sweet potatoes or potatoes. Then I am sure spinach will be on the ground the next coming season, and butternuts will be on the ground. And also, I want to bring my sister. There's a sister of mine who is interested in farming. I want to bring her to the game. I'll take her, and I will give her a task of managing butternuts. Then I'll manage the other 3 crops. So that is the plan for the next coming season. Nothing much, but I think I'll have some great income where I will also diversify to livestock. Maybe I'll add, I don't know, I'm not sure which one I will add. Between rabbits, chickens, goats, and sheep, in those 4, I don't know, I need to do one of those, and still I'm not sure, but definitely I'll do one of those. So yeah, that's the message for today, or the content for today. And also, I will share the content with you while I'm working on the fields, because I know there's something that you are learning from me, and also I am learning something from you, and I appreciate your comments, your questions. I've been quiet for too long, not saying anything, but what made me quiet is because there was nothing that I was planting, and also I was focused on running. But I don't think I'll focus more on running now. I'll focus more on the business side. Let's meet each other on the fields.